This clip was sent to me a number of months ago, which is pretty obvious with the weather conditions, but it's the oncoming car that's the fail on this one.
Get a grip, mate, get a grip.
The other car didn't stop, it just drove off. Although my camera did a reasonable job by slowing down, if you're ever in doubt in situations like this, stop, because then you've hit no one. Jumping red lights is bad enough, but when someone in front stops and then someone from behind jumps, this can be even more dangerous. The oncoming Toyota could have easily started to turn when it saw the white SUV stop. Saying thanks after you barge your way through doesn't cut it for me. What do you think? It wasn't as though our camera had any choice in that situation. My camera who sent this clip in said that the other driver was on the phone, and I'm not going to make any assumptions. But it was likely. What is the driver of the Mini doing? They haven't finished yet either. There they are, over to the left. I've honestly never seen anyone struggle so much exiting a fuel filling station. I feel like cheering now. This clip was sent in by John, who you'll probably know well from my other videos. And I know this road well that he's on. He's actually joining the M58, which is about 10 miles away from where I live. But the question has to be asked, how do these two on the left get to this position? I usually do a lot of analysis videos, but this clip, it's your turn. What do you think caused this near miss at this junction? There's no aggravation on purpose from my viewer in this clip that he sent in. It's just a terribly close pass. This is lethal. And from the position our camera was taken up in the road, it was even closer to him. This is a different viewer who has sent me this clip in, and I'd like to say a massive thanks to everyone who keeps sending in these wonderful clips. This particular clip shows the impatience that motorists often show to overtake the cyclist.
What the hell?
Let's go for 3 in a row. This is again a terrible overtake by the motorist. Look how much room they've now got to get past. What's the point? For this clip we're going to have a go at that old game show, catchphrase. Remember, say what you see. Let me know what you think I'm talking about in the comments. There's no surprise John shows good lane discipline. This footage was sent in by a viewer who was out enjoying a winter drive, and the scenery looks beautiful. However, I'm not too sure about the decision he makes when this car emerges poorly in front of him. Have a little look. That overtake seemed to be a little bit of a telling off for me, and honestly, these conditions, knowing the world, that would have crossed my mind. Is that me just being a little harsh? Let me know what you think in the comments. Many people show even more contempt for temporary red lights. Why do you think this is? Is it because there's no traffic coming from the left or the right and there's less chance of a big accident? Or is it because there's less chance of getting caught when you do this type of thing? This is quite a big mistake by the car entering the junction up ahead, but my viewer deals with it perfectly. And a bit later on in the clip that he sent in, he shows a good example of a nice wide pass at a good time round a cyclist. Top job, mate. The driver following literally can't wait to get down to the beach to go for a walk. I do mean that literally as well. They can't wait. How impatient have you got to be to act in this way in the car? This is the same camera as the previous clip. And I didn't say in that previous clip that this is a driving school car. And is that one of the reasons why the Tesla also did the roundabout in that way? Perhaps. And here's another clip from this same viewer to finish. Bet you can't guess what's going to go on here, can you? Thanks a lot for watching, everyone. Keep safe. I'll see you soon.